Jai Hind student, welcome to English class. Students, in this lecture we will discuss about the preposition of position, means the words which are used to indicate the position. So about those preposition words we are going to discuss in this lecture. Now, the first is your under. Now, here you will be seeing there is a very slight difference, like we'll be discussing about other preposition also. Preposition of position like under, below, above, over. Okay, and in many cases, the same prepositions indicating the same meaning can be used uh, in all the situations, but there is very slight difference in the usage of these preposition, but sometimes they can be used. Okay, like under and below. So under means also means something which is lower in position, and below also. Okay, so sometimes in few of the sentences you will find you can use both of them, but in few of the sentences you have to go for the most appropriate one. Okay, so let's see. Under is used to indicate a position that is below or beneath something. It means vertically below. So under जो है, under means something which is vertically below. Okay, if you draw a line between the two things which are just, means one is above and the other is below. So if they are coming in a single line, that means कि they are vertically below, and then we use under. For example, the dog is under the table, he looked under the bed, they took shelter under the tree, the water flows under the bridge. Okay, so all these sentences, they are indicating a position that is vertically below. Okay, so in that case we use under. Now next is underneath, that has the same meaning as under. Okay, it also means a position below something. So under and underneath can be used interchangeably. Only the difference is that underneath is used in a more formal way, you can say. Formal way में जब हम लिखते हैं, then we can use. Otherwise both can be used. She found a lot of dust underneath the carpet. The coin rolled underneath the table. He hid the gun underneath the bed. He left the key underneath the mat. So here under can also be used. Okay. So underneath generally implies covered by something so that the object covered is not seen. Okay, so that is the point of difference, but it can be used in either of the way. Now let's talk about below. Below means a position lower than something. So we have just talked about under, that you have seen ki it represent a position lower than, but that position is vertical. Okay, but here it is nothing like that. Okay, something is obviously in a position lower than the other thing, but it's not in a vertical, means if you draw a line, so you will not get a straight line, means you can get the two things separated at a distance, but though they are below. Okay, the one is at the lower position than the other one. For example, they could see the village below them. So now here you can see ki suppose you are standing somewhere on a hill, and you are just seeing the village. So what will you say? Means they could see the village below them. So the village will be at a height lower than you. So then we will use, because a village must be covered by a large area. Okay, and you are standing at one point, so it doesn't mean ki you are vertically up. So but yes, you are at a higher position and village is at a lower position. So you will use they could see the village below them. The lake is 500 feet below the sea level. He had a wound below the left shoulder. You should write below this line. So these are the sentences which is showing the usage of below. Now let's talk about beneath. Beneath means the same thing. Okay, that lower than something. They found the body beneath a pile of uh, grass. The boat sank beneath the waves. Now beneath has the sense of directly under something. So here beneath means beneath when something is in direct directly means बिल्कुल डायरेक्ट जो है कोई भी चीज़ नीचे होगी. ओके, लाइक दे फाउंड अ बॉडी बीनीथ अ पाइल ऑफ ग्रास. तो ग्रास के जस्ट नीचे ही है. ओके, तो हेयर यू विल नॉट यूज बिलो. ओके, so here it will be beneath. Now next, over. Now over is used to indicate a position vertically above something or somebody or partly or completely covering the surface of something. So it can be used in two way, either to represent the position vertically above or when something is covered, okay, is covering the surface of other thing. For example, she hang a calendar over a fireplace. There were books all over the table. So what happened here? The table is covered by the books. They held a large umbrella over her. There was a lamp hanging over the table. Okay, so vertical position, in some sentences you will see the position is vertical, and in few sentences here you will see that something is completely covering the surface of the other thing. Now above is used to indicate a position higher. Means if something is at a higher position, like there were clouds above us, the water came above our knees, the pilot was flying above the clouds, the birds were flying high above the tree, we lived in a room above the shop. Above has a sense of something being directly over something. So here also you will see कि something which is directly बिल्कुल direct means directly बिल्कुल दो चीज़ें जो हैं they are in a line, you can say. Okay, okay, आगे move करते हैं. Okay, now this is all. Now with this we have completed the preposition of position. Hope you all have understood. Thank you everybody.